they possess a gift or two.
We'll just sit down and
One of them is this. They have the power to make a wish come true.
Starlight, starbright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as dreamers do, as dreamers do, and all our wishes
Pretty, huh? I'll bet a lot of you folks don't believe that about a wish coming true, do you? Well, I didn't either. Of course, I'm just a cricket. But let me tell you what really changed my mind. You see, the most fantastic, magical things can happen, and it all starts with a wish.